Good morning, it is your instructor Eric Kaufman. What we're going to be working on today is building a website, a Google site on the Lost Colony. Uh, Google Sites is a great platform. It is highly customizable. So after we sign in, we're brought to this screen where you can see websites that we've worked on previously, as well as some templates, default templates that are really great. We're going to go ahead and use the blank template. After the blank template loads, it brings you to this screen. This will be our home page. I'm going to go ahead and click your title page to change that to say the Lost Colony. I just click that and then type in the text that I want there. Up here off to the left is you can enter the site name. I'm going to also call that the Lost Colony. Now, with Google Sites, the great thing is everything is customizable. The header here, you have a few different options in terms of size. You can do a cover, which is pretty big, a large banner, or title only. I really like the looking of the banner. You can also change the image. You can upload your own image. It is fully customizable, but I'm going to leave it the way it is just for today. Off to the right here, Google has some pre-made templates that you can use for the content area of your website. It also has some options where you can fully customize it. Even these layouts are fully customizable, but just for the simplicity of showing you some of the options, I'm going to go ahead and just use one of the basic layouts. In the text box, you just click so that you can add text. Now this gray rectangle with a plus sign is a blank spot for a photo. To upload a photo, I just click the plus sign, go to upload, and that'll bring me to some files. I have some pre-selected pictures, quick and easy to get to. Oh no, the full picture doesn't fully fit. Good news is Google Sites has a uncropped feature, which allows us to view the photo uncropped at its full size, which is really great. When you're ready to add a second page to your website, you come to the right side toolbar and you hit pages, and down here at the bottom is the new page button, and you click that, and I'm going to type in the settlement and click done, and that creates a new page. Then on that same toolbar under insert, you can customize it and add content. If I hit text box, text box will come up, and I can type the Lost Colony was founded in 1587. And I can change the size of the text box. I can also move it around however I would like to, and fully customize anything that I want to do on the website. Now, when we're building our website, we want it to be able to be easy to navigate. At the top, there's top navigation. If you click the little cog off to the left, you can change the navigation. I really like side navigation. I think it looks a little bit cleaner. You can also add buttons to help navigate. And on the insert toolbar, you would just scroll down to button and click it. And then I'm going to insert a button called home and then link it to the home site. And it's right there. Again, I can move the button however I need to. You can preview the website up here. And you see the sidebar navigation. You can also see how the button works and brings you to the home page. When you're ready to publish your website for others to view, you click the Publish button. and publish it, and it's going to publish it to Google Sites so that anyone can view it. Here's the published website, and you can navigate throughout it. It's a fully working website.